This video is on displacement. Displacement describes the distance an object has traveled in a particular direction, and it is the total distance you have moved from your starting point. It can be found by finding the change in position, or the final position minus the initial position. The unit of displacement is in meters, and it is also a vector, which means direction matters. Displacement can be in positive, negative, or zero. Let's see an example of this. A box is dragged 6 meters to the right, which we'll say is positive, and then it's dragged 10 meters to the left. What is the displacement of the box? So the box starts at 0 and then moves 6 places to the right. Next, it is dragged 10 places to the left, bringing it to -4 on the number line. Remember our equation and find the initial position, which is 0, and the final position, which is -4. So -4 minus 0 shows us the box's displacement is -4 meters. Another thing to remember about displacement is the difference between displacement and distance traveled. Displacement is how far an object is from its starting point when it is at its end point, just like in our previous example. Distance is how far an object has traveled regardless of direction, starting point, or end point. Now let's see an example where we use both distance and displacement. A person runs 100 meters to a pole. Then the person runs back to their starting point. What is the runner's distance and displacement? So let's draw a diagram. Here's the runner at the start, and here's the 100-meter pole. Then they run to the pole and back to its starting point. So the person ran 100 meters one way and then 100 meters back. Therefore, their total distance is 200 meters. But for displacement, the runner began and ended at the same spot, so its displacement is 0.